Well, hey all, welcome back to the channel. Brendan here, aka Cliff Jumper, and we're getting all civilized today. I've got an opportunity to dive into some stuff that people want me to try out, so we're gonna do that. For some of us, we don't like the way our car smells. Now, I know that if you've got a Mk4 Jetta or Golf, chances are your car smells like crayons inside it. It just does. It's one of those weird things. So there is a company that has sent us some stuff that will help us out with that crayon smelling issue. This is from CEENIU, and it is a, how do you say it? An oil mister vaporizer thing that actually goes in your car, and it is solar powered, so you don't need a power supply for it to do the thing. The oil diffuser, yeah, that's it. So it's a scented oil diffuser. It goes in your car. So I'm gonna open it up, see what we got. And truth be told, my wife is the queen of the scents in our car, so we are going to put this in the Sequoia instead of one of my cars and let her try it out. But all right, so we're opening up the box, and there is a QR code so you can activate the lifetime warranty. That's cool, because a lot of stuff, you might get it and it works for a while and then it doesn't. So lifetime warranty on a company that you're maybe not familiar with, that's a good thing. All right, great. And of course, we've got the instructions here in various languages. So we'll go with the English instructions, since I am primarily an English speaker. And it looks fairly simple. So we pop this out. We got the main unit. Remove the sticker to activate the solar whatever. Okay, great. And solar energy top lid. And then this is the outlet that apparently does stuff. There's a washable sticky pad base, and then we get deeper into it. Okay, this is the fragrance slice, what they are calling it, perfumed slice, washable. All right, and then underneath that we've got strong and medium. I think we're gonna go with medium to start off with. Let me give this a smell just to see what it is like here. Okay, all right, it's kind of like a cologne smell. We'll see if my wife likes that. And then let's check out the stronger smelling one, give it a sniff. Oh, okay, yeah, that one's definitely more perfumey. So I don't know, we'll see. So let's go ahead and open up this. This is the solid fragrance perfumed slice. It does already have a smell to it, so that is, that's a thing. All right, so apparently what we do is we take the solar energy lid. It's got to be secured. Well, actually, no, we have to take it out. All right, so this pulls out first, like so. Set that aside. Put the perfumed slice in, and it says regularly add essential oils to remain scent. All right, gotta love that. So that is going in, and then it's already got some scent to it, so I'm not gonna add anything yet. We'll just see how it does on its own. All right. And then we add the top back. And that's it. It says it will automatically diffuse the fragrance when sunlight is abundant. Let's go out in the sun and see what happens. Oh, hey, look at that. Yeah, no lie. It is doing its thing there. So let's go ahead and install this on the dash of the car there. Now, I've noticed this issue with many products lately that want me to stick it on the dash. And the dash is curved, and so it's got a flat surface, and it doesn't sit on the dash. So I'm gonna make a recommendation to anybody in the product development side of many, many products that stick on the dash. Make some with a curved base or an adjustable base that could be set to a curve, because when we get to stuff like this, it's not gonna sit on here correctly. It's gonna be weird. Obviously I could put it on top of the airbag. That's not a good idea. Maybe back there, that might work. So I'm just gonna give it a quick dust wipe off. And we'll see how this does. I'll peel off the bottom, put that there, and then when the sun shines on this thing, it should do its scenty thing. I will report back in a few days after my wife has gotten to experience the scenty thing doing its scenty thing. And yeah, let's you know how it goes.
But wait, there's more.
And let's turn our attention to the other thing, because they sent us a second thing with this, and I forgot to tell you earlier, so let's check it out. Yes, in addition to the car fragrance thing, and this is interesting because it says car fragrance on it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this package up. Very well packed. The box does not want to come apart. Oh boy, there we go. Okay. CEENIU, smart and simple. And this again comes with the lifetime warranty card. Awesome. And we've got this. All right. Interesting. So this looks like it's a home fragrance oil diffuser. So yeah, we have dogs, and even if you clean the dogs, you're always going to get some dog smell happening. So we're going to go ahead and try this out in the house and see how it helps us with dogs. So all right, looks like there's a QR code inside it. That's good in case you lose the card. And then what we have here, it says unscrew the perfume bottle. All right, let me see what this smells like before I do anything. Okay, put the perfume bottle in, as that goes into here. I think probably, it doesn't say anything about this cap, but assuming that probably has to come out. Perfume bottle in, and then screw the base back on. Okay. Let's make sure we can do that without spilling the stuff. Okay, and I'm seeing a couple of USB connectors on here. And up at the top it says long press for 2 seconds to boot up. Touch to switch functions. When first used, the swab needs to be soaked for about 15 minutes before the unit starts spraying. All right, so we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes before we try firing this up and letting it do its thing. Let's see what's in the accessories box as long as we're here. Probably a, yeah, there we go. USB charging cable. So it says on here also car fragrance. So I guess you could put this in your cup holder in your car. It says car fragrance right on the thing. Okay, sure. So it's USB powered. I could plug it into my car and leave it in the cup holder and let it do its thing. All right, well we'll see how powerful this one is when it's actually, we've passed the 15-minute mark and let it start to do its thing.
20 minutes later.
In the meantime, I'm just kind of looking through the manual here. It says it is French perfume. Okay. And we've got USB-C or regular USB. This is input and output. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder if this doubles as a charger when you plug it in to power. That would be an interesting thing. So a long press to turn it off and on. Press to switch the gear, smart, strong, or light. Okay. The spray outlets in the top. I wonder if it's actually gonna mist, like a diffuser, if it's gonna give little puffs of stuff. Okay, so yeah, here in this instruction it says remove the internal stopper. So yeah, we did that right. The tube perfume hole, unscrew the base. That goes up into that. We did that correctly. And oh, look, it puffed. It just puffed. So yes, this is actually a diffuser type, you know, if you got folks that are into essential oils in your life, this is an essential oils device for your car, apparently. So we can work with that. Stick it in the cup holder, let it do its thing, and I am thinking I probably, oh, look at that. Look at that, puffing away, doing its, all right, it smells nice. So that's good. It's on smart mode. You can see the little blue light there. There we go. You see that little blue light? It's on smart mode. So apparently it's gonna determine maybe how much stuff it needs to do, or I can switch it to light or strong mode. So I'll leave it in smart and let it do its thing. In the meantime, let's see what else it says in the manual here. So if there's no vibration within the car within 7 minutes, it automatically enters standby. Oh, so it senses a vibration from your car, and that determines whether or not it turns off and on. That's interesting. So should I sneak this thing into my wife's car as well, so it does both of the smelly diffuser smell-making things at once? Yeah, definitely. Let's put them both in that car and see what she thinks. Yeah, that's how we'll roll. All right, so the Sequoia conveniently has these pop-out cup holders right here, which fits it pretty well. So it will hang out there. We also have cup holders here, which are obviously better for bigger cups, and then some more cup holders. Excuse the dirt. This is a used car. It is well used, you know. So that's the thing. All right, we'll leave this in here and check back in a few days. So we have both the spinny one up there and this one, and we'll see what the collaborative scent produced does for the experience in this car. And I will let you know how that goes. Okay, so the report is that it is subtle without adding the scent to it, which is good. I have still not added scent because I don't think we want to be overwhelmed by the oil diffuser in the car, but it's working. It does its spinny thing when it's sunny out. We do keep window shades in the front of the car, which means that while the car is sitting still, it's not doing a whole lot with the diffuser, which is not a bad thing. But when we're driving during daytime and the AC is on and the sun is shining, it's doing its thing, and that seems to be a pretty good fit. So thumbs up so far. Of course, if you want to check this out, you can get this on Amazon. I am dropping links in the description so you can find it, and I believe there's a discount code as well. I'll put that in the description for the video. If you want to check this out, if you are into the portable car-based essential oil diffuser thing that is USB powered or the solar powered one, either way, we got you covered. So yeah, it's fall, it's time for potions, and there you go. So essential oil away. God bless, and see you soon.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.